Hello everyone, I'm Sanjay and you are watching my first vlog. This is Logos Center. It's a center of learning. We learn from others and others learn from us. Creativity, out of the box thinking, passion are the keywords connected to this place. Events like emotional management, life coaching, special academic mentoring, and ABC of gardening takes place here. Our annual residential event of Class 10 board exam preparation has already begun. The purpose of this channel is to motivate my viewers to discover themselves and find new ideas for a fresh startup and make their lives more meaningful. I will be uploading videos on various activities of ongoing academic mentoring event. Please subscribe my channel and keep following me. See you in next video.